everyone. It's Rick again. I'm going to be showing you how to do a 4-ball out in this situation. This came up in a match recently. I just want to show about the pocket line, how to determine which side you want to be on with the cue ball. Okay. So in this case, thinking 3 balls out, I want to be on this side of the pocket line to get to eventually to get to the 14. If I'm over here, I can angle this in and then come down for the 14. That would be ideal. So thinking 3 balls out, that's what you want. Just go stun it out a little, maybe a little low. Like that. Ideally, it should have been over here somewhere, but this will work too. Just gonna come down to the table. Perfect. Now I'm going to draw this back, or I can just go forward. I'm going to draw it. Either one works. Alright, now there's 8 ball right there. Anyway, so that's how you would do it in that case. I could have went around the other side, but since the ball was closer to this pocket, it made sense to come down this side. I hope you enjoyed that. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.